Hi friends, how are you all? Today I am going to show you how to make bakery style sponge cake. Let's start the video now. First, I have taken 5 eggs and we have to separate the egg white and the egg yolk. And the egg yolk, you add a pinch of salt and mix it thoroughly and keep. Don't skip this step because if you are doing this step after making the cake, it will not give any egg smell. And beat the egg white properly. Keep your beater first speed and beat it nicely 3 to 5 minutes. And in between, add 275 grams of sugar. Batch wise, you have to add, don't add together. Add some amount of sugar and beat nicely. Again, add some amount of sugar. Like this way, you have to add whole all the sugars and dissolve till you have to wait it dissolved nicely. And afterwards, you have to take the egg yolk and mix with this batter and mix it nicely. Afterwards, you can start adding the dry ingredients like 2 teaspoon of baking powder. We are not going to use baking soda in this recipe, and 15 gram of milk powder, 235 gram of maida. Sieve it nicely 2-3 times. Then add batch wise and mix it nicely. The batter should be very nice consistency and adjust your consistency adding 150 ml of milk and also 150 ml of oil. Oil also in between you have to add like some amount of flour, then afterwards add some amount of oil, then add some amount of milk. Like this way you have to add. At last you have to add 1 teaspoon of pineapple essence, half teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 2-3 drops of orange essence. Afterwards, the batter is ready. Preheat your oven 170 degrees Celsius 10 to 15 minutes. Then transfer this batter to the baking tray and bake it 35 to 40 minutes. Now your delicious spongy bakery style cake is ready. If you enjoy the video, like, share and subscribe. We'll meet to the next video. Bye bye.
Got it. Pause. Stop.